Another fool got schooled for breaking curfew rules.
We out here, we not going.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The individual who went on a social media live feed and made an expletive-laden rant at the Prime Minister and declared that he would not cooperate with the 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew order has been jailed by the police. This after the individual had declared that no action could be taken against him. So this is the tirade.
The police, Andrews can't do nothing. We out here, we not going. See it there? Life, me, I make sure go. We out here, we not going. Andrew is you can't have a control again, you want to control, man. Bad man, yeah, see that unruly them, since bad man friends to there. We not going up tonight.
Now apparently, other social media users saw the video and shared it with the Jamaica Constabulary Force, whose quick action resulted in the narrator of the video being taken into custody.
Man, this is a big police.
Alright, come.
Fine him.
Miss Blake.
So I'm not going, see man.
See you have next day, man.
The JCF on their Twitter page said, "We thank the many persons who played their part in both bringing this video to our attention and helping us with our investigation."
The police, Andrews can't do nothing. We out here, we not going. See it there? Life, me, I make sure go. We out here, we not going. Andrew is you can't have a control again, you want to control, man. Bad man, yeah, see that unruly them, since bad man friends to there. We not going up tonight.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.